everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start by blending phonemes. I'll say each sound and you repeat the sounds and then we'll blend it together. S, ah, b. Sob, b, ah, p. Bop, n, ah, b. Knob, r, ah, t. Rot, j, ah, b. Job, l, ah, t. Lot, m, ah, b. Mob. Good job. Let's get ready to roller coaster some words, my favorite. The word is dot. D-ot. The word is fox. Ox. The word is got. G-ot. The word is hop. Up. The word is hot. Ot. The word is job. Job. The word is lot. Lot. The word is mom. The word is mop. Mop. And the last word is not. Not. Good. Now we're going to segment phonemes. So I'll say a word, you repeat it, and then we'll chop it into 3 separate phonemes. The word is dot. D-ot. Cop. K-op. Rod. R-od. Got. G-ot. Job. J-ob. Doll. D-o-l. Hop. H-op. Pot. P-ot. Rob. R-ob. Good work. Okay, now we're going to substitute phonemes, so we need our fists ready. I'm going to say a word, you repeat it, and then we're going to change the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is lot. Change l to h. Hot. The word is talk. Change t to s. Sock. The word is hop. Change h to m. Mop. The word is dot. Change d to j. Jot. The word is fox. Change f to b. Box. Good. Now we're going to add phonemes. So we'll start with the ending part of the word or the rhyme, and we'll add the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is on. Add r to the beginning. Ron. The word is awk. Add t to the beginning. Talk. The word is op. Add b to the beginning. Bop. The word is og. Add l to the beginning. Log. The word is ot. Add h to the beginning. Hot. Good. Last exercise, deleting phonemes. So I'll say a word and then we're going to remove that beginning sound. The word is pot. Without p. The word is ot. The word is rock. Without r. The word is awk. The word is sod. Without s. The word is odd. The word is job. Without j. The word is ob. The word is Tom. Without t, the word is Good work today. Don't forget to practice your poem.